Tesla fans, it's finally here, the real-life images of the refreshed 2025 Tesla Model Y in the stunning Glacier Blue color. Let's take a closer look at this exclusive new hue and explore what makes this Model Y refresh the most exciting yet. First, let's talk about Glacier Blue. This brand new color is exclusive to the 2025 Model Y for now, and it's a head-turner. The metallic finish shifts beautifully under natural light, offering a cool and modern aesthetic. It's not just a car color, it's a statement of style and sophistication. But there's more than just the color. Tesla has completely redesigned the front and rear with sleek new light bars. These not only enhance the vehicle's futuristic look, but also improve aerodynamics, making the ride quieter and more efficient. The front bumper now features a camera, a first for Tesla outside the Cybertruck, which adds even more functionality for auto park, and possibly upcoming features like FSD and Smart Summon. The Glacier Blue finish pairs perfectly with the Launch Series Edition's premium features. This limited release version includes exclusive badging on the rear liftgate, door sill plates, and even puddle lights. Inside, Tesla takes luxury up a notch with black vegan suede and the launch wordmark on the charging console trim. And for the first time, the long-range all-wheel drive comes with the acceleration boost included, no app upgrade needed. Thanks to Tesla's new body castings, the refreshed Model Y is stronger and quieter than ever. The single-piece casting reduces parts from 70 to just 1, resulting in fewer gaps, increased stiffness, and an even smoother ride. This is Tesla engineering at its finest. So, there you have it. The 2025 Model Y in Glacier Blue is a perfect blend of style, innovation, and performance.